The IG, Mr. Speaker, and the CS for Internal Security, I would also wish to beg that since I do feel very threatened, Mr. Speaker, sir, you realize I'm never in this house beyond 4:30 p.m. I have to be home. I've had to hire a lot of personal security, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I wish to beg that you do direct the CS and the IG to provide enough security. I can see the Honorable Jacoy is laughing because he knows last night I was on a TV show with him and he knew the lens I had to take. I had to come there in 2 matatus full of my supporters who, if the government fails to protect me, then we can leave it to my people to protect me. But I don't want to be among those who will again gang up militias to protect ourselves.
Very well. Very well. Honorable members, I think that's matter. I'm surprised that what the Honorable Kimani Ichungwa is saying is causing you to laugh. I think he's so serious, there's no cause for mirth. In fact, I would want to allow a few more members to make their comments in this regard. The problem is every small thing, don't localize, it's not a village matter.